to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystique Magic. So today I am going to share my top 6 favorite red lipstick which are very affordable and suit every skin tone beauties. So without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know which one is your favorite, and if you like this video then please like, share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any question do comment in the comment box below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.